Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yes, without wasting time, we'll start here. Huh? So many things to discuss. What last class? What we discussed? Yeah, average
The
value.
average current.
Okay.
Average value. Calculation of average value, sir.
Okay. Okay. For TW and TR, HR, combined class this, and I think same topic. Discussed average value only we started. Today we will calculate the average value of different waveform here. So tell me, for symmetrical alternating waveform average value you will calculate for full cycle or half cycle?
Half cycle, sir.
Half cycle.
Very good, half cycle. And tell me, if unsymmetrical waveform is there, then average value will calculate for
Full cycle.
Full
Cycle.
So this also I think in TR I have not told. Average value of sine theta for one cycle, how much? Average value of sine theta for one cycle?
0.
Zeros.
You know, maximum value plus 1, minimum is what? Minus 1, plus 1 plus minus 1 divided by 2, that will be what? 0. One way you understand this, or area. Sine theta, you know, whatever positive, same is what? Negative. Positive, negative area will what? Cancel out. Average value of cos theta for one cycle is what?
Zero.
Zeros.
Average value of sine square theta. This
1 by
1 by
2.
2, sir.
You know, sine square theta graph you all have studied. This is sine square theta. What is the maximum value of sine square theta? Tell me. Maximum value is what? 1. Minimum is what?
1.
4. What is the average value?
0.
1 plus 0 by 2. It will be 1 by 2. These values everybody should know. In RMS also we will use this. Average value of cos square theta for one side.
Minus 1 by
1 by
2.
2, sir.
1 by 2. Okay. Cos square theta also, you know, maximum value is what? Cos square theta, this graph na yaar. Yes or no? Yes. Maximum value is what? Plus 1. Minimum is what? 0. 1 plus 0 by 2. Average value of sine 5 theta for one cycle? 0. 5 theta, 10 theta, 20 theta. If you increasing the... Hello. Properly go. Jump and go. Hey, that Nishant, close door. Okay. Sine 5 theta is what? 0. Sine 100 theta is what? For one cycle is what? 0. See, if 5 theta 100 theta means frequency increased. Number of oscillation in unit time is what? Increased. But average value will be what? 0. Okay. Like if I ask you sine omega t average value, so it will be what? 0. Sine 100 omega t, if I ask you, what will get there? 0. 100 omega means frequency is what? Increased. Time period is what? Decreased. Are you understanding? Sine omega t means graph will be like this. Sine 100 omega t means what? Like this. Frequency is what? Increased. But maximum value plus 1, minimum is what? Minus 1. Average value will be what? 0. So this everybody should know. Sine theta and sine square theta, cos theta and cos square theta, average value for one complete cycle is what? 0 and 1 by 2. Okay. Now, for waveform, different waveform, we will calculate the average value. You will tell me whether we calculate for half cycle or full cycle. Area method also we will use, and we will use integration method also. Okay. First, on heading right, calculation of average value from waveform. Calculation of average value from waveform. waveform. So in question they will give you waveform and they will ask you average value. Equation also they will give and they will ask you average value, so that also we will discuss. Now first very important one which is in will study like voltage. Okay, everybody will see. Suppose V is equal to V naught sine omega t equation given. Voltage equation. Okay. Same way current equation also I equal to I naught sine omega t or cos omega t. They are asking you find the average value of this. Now equation they will not give. They will give you waveform. This is waveform here. V versus t. Waveform of this, you know, positive and negative. Maximum value is what? V naught. Minimum is what? Minus V naught.
Minus V naught.
Plus minus. This time is 0. This is what? T by 2 and this is what? T. Tell me average value for for one cycle is what? 0.
0,
Now
sir.
symmetrical or unsymmetrical wave? Symmetrical. So we will calculate
Symmetrical.
for half cycle or full cycle. Now
Half
Half cycle.
average value for half cycle. Now everybody will see. Integration formula will change. 0 to what? T by 2.
T by
V dt divide by what? 0 to T by 2 into dt. Clear? For one cycle what will write? 0 to T. But we know for symmetrical wave average value for one cycle is what? 0. And due to this form factor is what? Infinity, which is not possible. So we calculate for half cycle. Now I will substitute the value integration, you know. So we will substitute here, see 0 to T by 2. Tell me V value is what? V value is V naught sine
Omega.
dt divided by denominator. Can I write T by 2? Integration of dt is t and put the limit, so you will get t by 2. Now what I can take common from this? Tell me. V naught can I take outside? Constant na peak value.
Yes.
2 can we multiply here? 2 V naught by t can we write here? Sine omega t integration. Tell me. Sine omega t integration
Minus cos omega t divided by omega.
omega t minus cos omega t divide by what? Omega. And
Omega, sir.
where 0 to T by 2. Very good. Minus omega can we take outside here? Minus is constant. Minus 2 V naught divided by T into omega. Now I will put limit here. Cos omega. What is omega first? Tell me. Omega 2 pi by T or
2 pi divided by
2
t.
pi by T.
first limit is what? T by 2. So we'll substitute here T by 2 minus. Second limit is what? Tell me. Second limit is what?
0.
Cos 2 pi
Cos
by
0.
0. Now you all tell me minus 2 V naught T omega, है ना? So minus 2 V naught T omega. Tell me T and T cancel or not? 2 and 2 cancel or
Yes.
not? Cos pi how much? Tell me.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Tell me. 0 into say anything
1.
0. Cos 0 is what?
1.
Minus 1 how much? Minus 2. Multiply with minus how much?
Plus
How much will I write? 4.
4 V naught by
This
T.
will write 4 V naught divided by T. Now omega, can you tell me omega can we write 2 pi by T? So omega is 2 pi by T. T cancel. 2 and 2 cancel. What we will get? 2 V
V
naught
naught by pi.
The average value of sine wave for half cycle. For full cycle is what? 0. So here see average value we calculated 2 V naught by pi. 2 by pi value if you calculate mathematically, so this will come 0.637 of V naught, which also we say 63.7% of the maximum value here. Understanding everybody? So average value for half cycle is 63.7% of peak value. Understanding everybody? So this is the average value of sine wave or cosine wave for half cycle here. Note it down everyone. If current equation given I equal to I naught sin omega t, then what final expression you will get?
2 I naught by
2
pi.
into I naught divided by pi, sir.
Very good. Little fast will write here. Completed. Okay, so for sine in your NCERT only this is there, sine wave average value. Okay, for full cycle 0, half cycle is what? 2V naught by pi. Okay, clear? Now different waveform we will calculate. Suppose everybody will see now waveform is given. This waveform given here. Waveform will give you now equation. You have to know V versus T. Everybody will see here. Zero T by 2, T 3T by 2. Maximum value is what? V naught. Tell me. Without calculating, answer me this. What is the average value of this? What is the average value of this? Anybody? What is the average value of this? This already somewhere you studied.
Sir, V naught by pi, sir.
2 V naught by pi, sir.
Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me where we studied this here? This somewhere, this graph we have seen. Anybody tell me? Somewhere we have
full wave.
Full wave rectifier.
Full wave rectifier output or not? Full wave rectifier output or not this? And for this average value, what we have written there? Can anybody remember?
2 V naught by
2 V naught by pi you have written. See everybody, there in your notes. Average value for full wave rectifier, you tell me 2 V naught by pi you have written or not? Are you understanding what I'm telling? Yes. Now we will prove how it is 2 V naught by pi. I tell her she will break. Slowly. She coming fast. Here, see everybody. Now why it is 2 V naught by pi? Okay. First you all tell me what is the time period of this waveform? What is the time? First you tell me this is symmetrical, unsymmetrical. Symmetrical, unsymmetrical.
unsymmetrical, sir.
Unsymmetrical.
This one answered here first. Unsymmetrical. Correct or not this? Yeah, it is unsymmetrical. What is the time period of this? Tell me.
T by 2.
T by 2, sir.
Unsymmetrical and time period is what? T by 2. Now what you will apply formula? Tell me. V average will be what? 0 to 0 to. What is the time
T by
period?
2, sir.
T by 2.
And here what? V naught 0 to T by 2. V into what? dt divide by 0 to what? T by 2 into dt. And tell me, same expression we have written for sine wave or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And equal to what you will put here? V naught sine omega t. You calculate how much value you will get? 2 V naught by pi. Are you getting my point? Whether this waveform given or sine waveform given. Because sine waveform average value be calculating for what? Half cycle, na? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
0 to T by 2 only we calculating or not? Here also 0 to T by 2. So average value again we will get what? 2 V naught by pi. Whatever the average value of output of half wave rectifier is nothing but average value of sine wave for half cycle. How many of you understanding this point? How many of you understood this? That this value will be 2 V naught by pi or you will not have to every time integrate and calculate. Try to correlate. Okay. So average
Sir,
value.
how this V naught sine omega t you are saying?
This is for full cycle. This I have written here V naught sine omega t. How I have written this V naught sine omega t? This is sine omega t graph only or not? 0 to T by 2. Tell me this cycle is sine omega t graph only or not? This is representing sine only or? Are you getting my point? This is also representing what? Sine wave only. Here full cycle will not have to see. here time period for this wave is what? T by 2. And same we have written here T by 2 we have written because we know that full cycle it will be 0. Are you getting my point? But for second wave time period itself we are getting what? T by 2. Understanding everybody? Because this is unsymmetrical wave here. Okay. So in both way that expression of average value will be what? Same, that will be 2 V naught by pi. Put V naught sin omega t, integrate, same thing you will get. It will come when 1-2 time you will practice, huh? It is new. There directly we have written in full wave rectifier expression. Now I'm telling that it is how it is coming here to V naught by pi. Is this clear to everybody? Completed everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you around 9-10 waveform and you calculate. It will be clear to you. Now you all see this waveform and try to calculate by yourself by integration method here. Tell me this is 0, t by 2, t, 3t by 2, 2t, and so on. This try everybody. We'll see who will answer. V versus T graph. Yeah,
V naught by pi, sir.
prove it mathematically. You get it. Now tell me this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Or full cycle or half cycle?
Unsymmetrical.
Full cycle.
Half.
But for you see, when you calculate full cycle, in half cycle function exists. In second half cycle function value is what? 0. Are you getting my point? T by 2 to t function value is what? 0. But time period is what? Time period is t by 2 or t. After what time same thing repeating? T only. And you know this is output of half wave rectifier or not? See, we will prove here. V average is equal to 0 to t because this is unsymmetrical. V dt divide by 0 to t dt. Try to understand this. Just see once. Now tell me, can we break the limit? Limit breaking, you know na everyone. 0 to t, can we write 0 to t by 2 plus t by 2 to t? Yes, sir. Can we write 0 to t by 2? 0 to t by 2 function exists or not? Sine wave is there or not 0 to t by 2? This is
Yes.
V dt. Tell me t by 2 to t, what is the function value? Function value 0 or not? In this region function
0.
value 0 or not? So 0 dt divide by what? T only or not? Here time period is not t by 2, it is time period is what? T. Now this part is gone. This part over. Tell me V dt integration. What is V value? This is sine wave only or not? This is sine wave only or not 0 to t by 2. So what we will write? 0 to t by 2 t naught sine omega t dt by t. Everybody integrate this and see what expression getting. Any waveform they can give here in exam, especially in AITS, in FTS, final test series. Sin omega t integration?
V naught by pi.
Cos omega t divided by omega. Limit 0 to t by 2.
Sir, minus V naught by 2, sir.
Sir, minus V naught by 2 pi. Sir.
Minus will come. Huh? Omega is what? 2 pi by t. 1 is what? T by 2. And 1 time is what? Cos 0 will come or not 1 time. Now t by t cancel. 2. Cos pi how much? Cos pi how much?
Minus 1.
Cos 0 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 how much you will get? Minus 2 into minus how much you will get? 2 V naught by t omega or not? 2 V naught by t omega, what you can write? 2 pi by t. Multiply here, what you will get? What you will get? T cancel, what you will get? 2 V naught by pi. Tell me half wave rectifier output, we have written average value V naught by pi or not? Are you getting my point? Here why we getting v naught by pi? Because time period is t here. Time period is not t by 2. If time period here t by 2, then again we will get what? 2 v naught by pi. Clear here? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So average value of this waveform is v naught by pi. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody completed? Okay. Now tell me if I ask you. See here, everybody. Don't write. Huh? See here. Suppose v versus t graph given, and graph we are getting this one. Okay. Don't write. Huh? This is just an example. Not. This is v naught. This is minus v naught. Plus minus. Tell me what is the peak value of this here? V naught.
V naught.
What is the peak to peak value? Peak to peak value? 2 v naught. What is the average value of this half cycle? Half cycle.
2 V naught by pi, sir.
2 v naught by pi, sir.
2 v naught by pi. Now, see if I shift this waveform, shifting I will do along the what? Time axis or shifting, okay? Suppose this like this graph given. Same v versus t graph, but graph is what? Like this given. Tell me by shifting you tell me peak value will change or not change? Peak value will not change. Peak to peak value will change or not change?
Not change.
Average value will change. Average value will change or not change?
Change, sir.
Acha, you tell me by shifting.
Initial phase.
Listen, everyone. By shifting for full cycle, what is average value?
Zero.
Full cycle, what is average value
Zero.
now? Zero or not? Earlier also average value for full cycle zero or not? Now also average value for full cycle is zero or not? Are you getting my point? Peak value not change, peak to peak value not change, average value for full cycle not change, average value for half cycle also will not change. By shifting the waveform, any value will not change. How many values we discussed? 4 values we discussed. Peak value, peak to peak value, average value and RMS value. By shifting the waveform along the time axis, that all values will remain what? Same. Are you getting my point? Like this, they'll confuse you in question. Waveform, they'll shift this side, or waveform, they'll shift left side. Okay, so all values remain what? Same. Understanding? You see, equation of this graph will be what? V is equal to V naught sin omega t, that minus 45 degree. Discussed or not last class? Minus 40. This will be what? 45 degree or not? Yes or no? You see graph shifted right side or not? But still peak value, average value, peak to peak value, RMS value remain what? Same. Understanding everybody? Write down. Make this diagram. V versus T. And write here point. Average value for half cycle will be what? 2 V naught by pi.
V naught
Okay?
by pi.
2 V naught by
For full cycle average value is what?
Zero, sir.
0.
Write on point. Make this diagram. It may be suppose T plus, this is T, this is what are T plus T by 2. Are you getting my point? This is small t, this T plus T by 2, this will be what? That T plus T, like this. Right here, by shifting the right point note, that by shifting the waveform, along time axis, by shifting the waveform. Waveform is current and voltage waveform, okay, along the time axis. Alternating values do not change. Values do not change. Okay, so peak value, peak to peak, whenever you see any go same, whatever average value, RMS value, you know, same. Clear? Everybody clear with this? Now,
Yes, sir.
these are some integration way. Area method we will discuss. Everybody will see waveform given, current versus time, I versus T. First see one question, you see, after that you write. This is suppose waveform given. Waveform given like this. Like this and so on, okay, plus minus and so on. This is given here 0 t by 2 t. This given here current is I naught and this given here minus I naught. Okay. Now first you all tell me, this is symmetrical waveform or unsymmetrical waveform?
Symmetrical waveform.
For full cycle, what is average value?
0, sir.
How, if they ask you that, how you prove this? So what you will do, this area and this area equal and opposite or not?
Yes, sir.
Integration meaning is what? Area only. Okay, 0 to t by 2 v dt. V value is what? Sorry, I dt. I value is what? I naught. Are you getting my point? By integration, area only will get. Getting this? Okay, we will prove. Just wait. This one 0 to t by 2 and t by 2 to t. Area will be what? Equal and opposite. That will cancelled out. Full cycle 0. So we will calculate for half cycle. Okay, half cycle means 0 to t by 2. Everybody see, by integration I will prove. You will have the clear idea. I average for full cycle. Full cycle means what you write here? 0 to t by 2. Can we break limit here? Because every point you will ask here, I dt divided by what? 0 to t dt. Is this clear? Now tell me, 0 to t complete constant not there, na function. Function has function different values are there or not? T by 0
Yes.
to t by 2 different value, t by 2 to t different value. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can we break the limit here? Can we break the limit? 0 to t by 2. What is 0 to t by 2 function value? Tell me. I value is what? 0 to t by 2. But 0
I
to
naught.
t by 2 function value I naught or not? So here we write I naught into what? Dt. Tell me t by 2 to t, what is function value? Minus I naught.
I naught.
Not into dt. Divide by what is time period? T only or not? Now tell me.
T.
Numerator it will cancel out or not? Can you see here? I naught constant can we take outside? Dt integration is what? T. Put the limit t by 2 to t. What you will get? T by 2 or not? Yes or no? And tell me for second part. Minus I naught. You will get this minus I naught. Dt integration is what? T. Put the limit. T minus t by 2. How much you will get? T by 2 or not? Tell me. This complete numerator cancel out or not? Yes or no? This complete value here you see 0. You see this is nothing. What is this I naught into t by 2? This is, you tell me, this is area of this graph or not? Rectangle or rectangle? Rectangle. This
Yes,
is
sir.
area or not? I naught into t by 2. What is I naught into minus t by 2? Area of this graph or not? Understanding? So area method we can use. No need to do integration. Directly area added and will calculate average value. Okay. Here for full cycle we are getting average value is what? 0. And already we told for symmetrical wave for full cycle value will be what? 0. So what we will calculate? Tell me, for half cycle or full cycle?
Half cycle.
I have proved this, that for full cycle value is what? 0. And you know, if full cycle value 0, then form factor will be what? Infinity. So for symmetrical wave, tell me, you will calculate for half cycle or full cycle?
Half cycle.
Half cycle.
What is average value now? I average, what you like? Area of this how much na? I naught into t
I
by
naught t by 2.
I naught into t by 2 divided by what is the time interval?
T by 2, sir.
T by 2. T by 2.
T by 2.
And what you getting? I naught. Already
naught.
I naught.
you said, tell me, if any constant value is there, what is the average value of this? If any this I naught constant or not? If
Yes.
suppose current given 4 ampere, what is the average value of this?
4 ampere.
What is the RMS
4
value
ampere.
of this?
4 ampere.
What is the peak value
4
of
ampere.
this?
4 ampere.
Understand? Any
4
constant value given, all values will be what? Same. And this we are proving here, we are getting mathematically. Understanding everybody? Note it down. This is area is nothing, integration only. This year proved. In question, if zero option not given, it means they are asking for half cycle. Understanding everybody? If zero not given option, it means they are asking for half cycle. It is understood. For full cycle value will be what? Zero symmetrical waveform. Average properly understand. RMS you will know. All these waveform we will calculate RMS value. Okay. Completed everybody.
You can scroll up, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, little bit up, sir. Thank you, sir.
Completed everybody. Now you are you understood now. Can I give you now waveform? Will you calculate? For symmetrical waveform, you will calculate for full cycle or half cycle? Half cycle. Already understood that for full cycle it is zero. Write down. Now first you have to do your. We'll see who will answer. This is V versus T. This is V naught. T by 2, T, 3T by 2, 2T, and so on. Find average value of this. You have to check
V
whether
naught by 2.
V naught by 2, sir.
Tell me everybody, half cycle you will calculate, full cycle you will calculate.
Full cycle.
Symmetrical, unsymmetrical.
Full cycle.
Very nice. So here, you know, in this region only area is there, na? Here area bounded how much? 0 or not? So what you will like? Tell me. V naught into
V
T by
naught T by 2
plus
plus
0
0 divided.
divided by time period is what? T. See, direct answer you got V naught by 2. This question given in your package. Average value of this. Current versus time. I naught minus I naught T by 2T. I average.
I naught by 2, sir.
I naught by 2, sir.
Symmetrical, unsymmetrical.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical, sir.
You will calculate for full cycle, half cycle.
Half cycle.
Half cycle. What is the area of this? What is the area of this? Half into
T by 2.
base into
I naught.
half into base into height. What is height? I naught. Divide by
sir.
T by 2.
by
T
2,
by
sir.
T by 2. Cancel. What you will get? I naught by
I
2.
naught by 2.
Understanding everybody here? Tell me this waveform. Zero, T, 2T, and all this. What is the average value of this?
I naught by 4, sir.
V naught by 2.
V naught by 2, sir.
Still some are struggling after these many questions. Symmetrical, unsymmetrical.
V naught by 2.
Time period is what for this? After T, same thing repeating or not? So this area how much? Half into T into V naught divided by what?
V naught by T.
Chill out.
V naught by 2.
Understanding here? Completed?
Yes, sir.
I versus T. I naught T by 2 T I average.
I naught by 2, sir.
Everybody?
I not by 2, sir.
And you know, one point telling you, everybody see that three triangle we have discussed or not? Three triangle.
Yes.
Everybody see. Average value of triangular waveform is half of the maximum value here. Can you see this? Whether triangular waveform always. Okay. Triangular waveform if given average value will be what? Half of the maximum value. Whether unsymmetrical. See unsymmetrical only we have to see. Understood that? So this general observation it is not, that you better you solve by method what we are telling. Now two more questions we'll discuss. We'll see somewhat good level questions. Okay, we'll see how many of you will answer. Average value if you are per average RMS, because you know AC meter, AC voltmeter measure what? AC meter RMS value. Whatever supply coming in our home, that is which value? 220 is what? RMS value. Because RMS has no confusion. In average confusion is there whether full cycle or half cycle. RMS always what? Full cycle. Always full cycle. Na? So RMS average you have to know properly. Now one waveform giving V versus T. This is little difficult one, but for you now you have understood, you can do it. This value is 10. This value is -2. This value 0. This is V versus T. Okay, this is 0. This is 2. This is 4. Not -2. This is -4. Just a minute. This is -4. -4, 2, 4, and all this. Can you tell me what is the average value of this?
2, sir.
1 by 2, sir.
Everybody do it. Tell me this is symmetrical or unsymmetrical? You will calculate for full cycle or half cycle? Full cycle.
Full cycle.
Time period of this is what? Tell me. Time period 4. After repeating or not? Tell me what is the area of this here? This area and this area.
Half.
That tell me triangle area how much na? Half into base into
10.
height and minus na? Rectangular area is what? Negative. What is the negative value? Tell me. 4 into 2 is 8. So we write minus what? 8. Yes or no? This 2 to cancel. 10 minus 8 how much? 2. 2 by 4 how much? 1 by 2 is 0.5 volt. Understood everybody? So this type of waveform if you get, then average value you can find. Okay, symmetrical if half cycle, unsymmetrical full cycle. Last one. After that you will not have doubt in average value, this is sure. Current versus time 10, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. What is the average value of current here?
Sir, 60 by 4.
Ampere, sir.
What?
15, sir.
15. Any other answer?
5, sir.
Sir,
5.
5, sir.
Any other answer?
60, sir.
60.
15 only,
Sir,
sir.
1 5.
Okay. Anybody else?
10, sir.
No. Okay. See, first you tell me symmetrical or unsymmetrical.
Unsymmetrical, sir.
It is not below time axis. Now only positive there are. Tell me what is the time period of this ra? Time period. 4 or not? Ra? After 4, same thing repeating or not?
Yes, sir.
So I average will be that first time period is what? 4. Area of this you have to calculate here. 10 into 2, 20 plus 20 into 2, how much? 40 plus 20, 60 by 4, it is what? 15. Easy or not? Yes or no? How many of you understood average value here? Average value, fully understood. Any graph they give, any that V versus T, I versus T graph given, and you can answer, because here see 10, 11 graph we have seen. Okay, note it down. This completed, everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is from wave form here. Okay. Now, if suppose equation given, average value we will calculate from equation. If equation given, okay, write down calculation of average value from equation. Calculation of average value from equation. Equation. Everybody will see here. One simple mathematical function I am taking here. Don't write this, huh? Y is equal to 1 plus sine theta. First you all sine theta, you know everybody, huh?
Yes.
Sine theta maximum value is what? 1. Minimum is what? Minus 1. Sine theta versus theta graph. Now I am taking 1 plus sine theta. Understand? 1 plus sine theta. Tell me what is the maximum value of y? Y maximum value is what? 2 or not?
2,
Sine
sir.
theta 1. Then only maximum value of y will get or not? What is the minimum value of y?
0, sir.
See,
0.
maximum value 2 and minimum is what? 0. Now you see, if I ask you graph, plot the graph between y versus theta. You have seen that y max is what? 2, 1 plus 1, and y minimum is what? 1 minus 1, that is what? 0. If I plot the graph of this, okay, you understand here that graph, if I plot, maximum value is 2. First you tell me, when theta 0, what is the value of y? Theta 0, what is the value of y? 1 or not? Is graph
1,
start
sir.
from here or not? Yes or no? From here graph going like this, maximum, and then what? 0. This is the graph or not? Yes or no? Now see, it's shifted above the time axis or not? Above the theta axis or not? This is, you see. Now fluctuation axis change now. Now it is not fluctuating about theta axis. It is fluctuating about what? 1. Are you getting my point? From 1, maximum value is what here? Using this is what? 2, and this is what? 0. Tell me what is the average value of this? What is the maximum value? 2. Minimum is what? 0. What is the average value? Y max plus y min divided by what? 2. How much you will get? 2 plus 0 by 2, that is 1. Are you getting my point? If here you see in this what happened? Signal shifted by 1. In which axis? In y axis. Are you getting my point? Yeah, area you can calculate by integration. This is this area, you know, sine area, you know, integration method we can do. By integration also you do same, you will get. I have not given you that limit na here. I'm telling you by this maximum and minimum. Listen to me, everybody. I'm telling something, you are understanding something. 1 plus sine theta, maximum value 2 na, this understanding, everybody.
Yes,
minimum value is what? 0. Maximum plus minimum by 2 is average value or not?
Yes, sir.
What is maximum 2? Minimum 0. 2 plus 0 by 2 is what? 1.
1.
Means average value. You see now in this graph, you see maximum 2, minimum 0. That average value will be what? That is 1. In sine theta, y average is 0. Maximum is what? 1. Minimum is what? Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0 by 2. That is 0. Are you understanding? And about the average value only function will fluctuate. See, about 0 only it is fluctuating or not the sine theta. About this axis only fluctuating or not. Here about 1 it will fluctuate. About 1 oscillation is there. Oscillation about 1. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
From 1 it is going to 2 and it is coming toward 0. Again that going to 2 and then coming toward 0. Now no need to plot this graph and all. If a function consists of, 1 is constant value or not? This we called DC component. What we call this? DC. And this we call what? AC component. AC means fluctuation and DC means what? Constant. Whenever signal or function consists of DC and AC component, then only DC component will give the average value. What is DC value? Tell me here. 1. And what is average value?
1.
Average value 1. Are you getting my point? If any equation given, suppose given voltage equal to 4 plus 3 sine omega t. What is the average value of this? 4. Are you getting my point, everybody? Mathematically, can you understand this? Maximum. Now see, 3 plus 4 sine omega t or 4 plus 3 sine omega. What is the maximum value of this? Tell me.
4.
Maximum value is what? Maximum value 7 or not? 4 plus 3. Maximum value is 7 or not? Minimum is what? 4 minus 3.
1.
Are you understanding? Maximum is 7. Minimum is what? 1. Maximum plus minimum by 2. How much? 7 plus 1 is 8. By 2 is what? 4. So no need to do this directly. You see, whatever the DC component, that will give you what? Average value. Can you understand this, everybody? Online students, can you understand? Whenever signal consists of AC and DC component, then only DC component will give what? Average value. Clear here? This point clear? Now first some questions we'll see. After that you will write the statement here. Just wait. Question. This is example. See everybody that now tell me voltage equal to VT. V is equal to 3 plus 4 sine omega t. If they ask you what is the average value of this, what is the average value of the function? They write here what? 3 volt.
3.
If suppose current given here, I is equal to 4 plus 5 cos omega t. What is the average current here?
4.
Average current will be what? 4 ampere. Okay.
4 ampere.
Only DC component or only DC component will give what? Average value. Write one point here. Any other sine, cos, something given, okay? Any other value also give one more cos or sine, whatever, okay? Average value only what? DC component will give you. Try to note that if current and voltage equation, consist of AC and DC component, then average value is given by DC component. Average value is given by DC component. Clear here? So now average value fully we have finished. If equation given, then we can find. If graph given, then we can find. Tell me if voltage equal to 4 sine omega t given, then tell me what is the average value of this?
Zeros.
0.
Now you will have confusion. You will think in two ways, whether they are asking for full cycle or they are asking for what? Half cycle. For full cycle value is what? 0 and half cycle value is what? 2 V0 by pi. What is V0 here? 4. So 2 into 4 means 8 by pi. Is this clear? So if this given here, you will say V average equal to 0 for which cycle? Full cycle.
Full cycle.
And V average is equal to 2 V naught by pi, which is 2 into 4 by pi, 8 by pi for which cycle? Half cycle.
Half cycle.
Half cycle.
Yeah. Completed everybody? Write down RMS value. RMS value.
Sir, 1 second, scroll up, sir.
Completed? Completed, yeah? Write down RMS value. RMS value. Among all 4 values that will off here. So 2. RMS value. Among all 4 values, that most important is this one. Remote where? Okay. Write down RMS value. See, among all 4 values, that most important is RMS. In circuit, if nothing mentioned, only voltage given 220 volt, 300 volt, it means that is RMS value. Okay. Now, you see RMS value first, how it is defined. You know, RMS means what? A root mean square. Suppose 3 numbers we having 1, 2, 3. So how to find the root mean square? First, what you will do? You will square first, and then you will take what? Mean, and then what? Root. Means you will 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Chemistry, you have studied RMS speed. Physics also in 11th class. So square, then after that mean. Mean means what? Divide by what? 3. And then what? Root. This is what? Root mean square. Is this clear? Up to this we called mean square value. Mean square value. Okay, root if you take, then root mean square. Okay, now same we will apply for function. So first definition I was telling. See, RMS value is defined with respect to heating effect of the waveform. Heating effect, heat dissipation. This also question given in your package exercise. RMS value defined with respect to. So heating effect, not tell me average value defined with respect to charge transfer in the circuit. Okay, charge transfer in the circuit. Right. In AC, whatever voltage we say RMS, and current is what? IRMS, VRMS, IRMS. See everybody, after that you write. See everybody. Telling, just wait. Circuit, will explain, will tell you, don't worry. See everybody, that when heat dissipation in AC circuit is equal to heat dissipation in that DC circuit. When heat dissipation in AC equal to heat dissipation in DC, what heat dissipation you can write? Either I square R into T or V square R into T, V square by R into T. So you see that if I am writing I square R into T, this is here I square R into T, Here I is what? DC, and here I is what? RMS. Actually, this is AC. AC become what? RMS. In AC only we calculating RMS. So you tell me RT and RT will cancel out or not?
Yes.
Operated for same interval of time and resistance is what? Same. Okay. So RT and RT cancel. What I'll get? Tell me. I RMS is equal to I DC. I RMS equal to I DC. Na? Square under root you can take it. I by Ohm's law what you can write? I RMS. V RMS divided by R. And I DC what you can write? V DC by R.
VDC by R.
What will get? Tell me. V RMS equal to.
VRMS equal to VDC.
Now we have to understand that first this RMS value is defined with respect to heating effect of the waveform. Waveform, whatever that wave will generate here. Waveform we are discussing here. Here wave equation we are discussing current and voltage equations. Okay. Second thing that voltage or current in AC at which heat dissipation in AC is equal to what? Heat dissipation in DC. That voltage or current in AC we called what? RMS voltage or RMS current. Provided both circuit having same resistance and operated for same interval of time. Okay, right on point. First point, RMS value is defined with respect to heating effect of the waveform. Heating effect of the waveform. Next point. Voltage or current in AC. Voltage or current in AC at which voltage or current in AC at which heat dissipation in AC circuit is equal to heat dissipation in DC circuit. Heat dissipation in AC circuit is equal to heat dissipation in DC circuit called RMS voltage or RMS current. Provided both circuit having same resistance and operated for same interval of time. Provided both circuit having same resistance and operated for same interval of time. Clearer? Make this circuit, write down this. Based on RMS value definition in package question given. And you will confuse how to solve that exercise questionnaire and you will have doubt. Heat dissipation you equate in AC and DC, you will get the RMS value here, RMS current or RMS voltage. One question in exercise given, heat dissipation in AC is 4 times of heat dissipation in DC. Anybody solved exercise? In exercise, this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 times. And there was their RMS value. Those who have solved, they know. Completed here? Everybody completed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see how to calculate the RMS value of any continuous function. Everybody will see. Suppose we having one function, this general expression. Achha, RMS has no problem and always RMS calculated for full cycle. Why full cycle? This also. You see, in RMS first what we are doing? In RMS first what you do? Square. Even negative
Squaring.
become what? Positive. Are you getting my point? Here no RMS value always positive here. It can never be zero also. Understanding? Because it's negative become what? Positive. First we doing is square, then we taking what? Mean, and then only we are taking root. So if y is a function of t given, and we have to find the RMS value of y, okay? So y RMS we have to find. First what I will do, tell me? Square of the function means ft square we did. After that what we'll do? Mean means average. Already average you know how to calculate. Average we have discussed. See, this function average means dt integration 0 to t divided by what? 0 to t dt. Is this clear? We squared, we have taken what? Mean here, and then finally what we will do? We'll take a root. This is what the root mean square. Understood everybody? Note it down. Completed? Now same we can write in terms